Today, I'm going to be introducing you to the ASYRA Wireless Lockdown Alarm System. There are additional videos that show how the system is installed. The ASYRA Wireless Lockdown System was developed specifically for this purpose. By using a secure, dedicated wireless network of its own, alarm initiation devices like manual call points can be positioned at the most effective locations, around school premises or on a hospital site, for example. The optimum locations are not the same as for a fire alarm system, where an alarm call point within a building is used to initiate an evacuation. Quite the opposite. The activation locations can be outside the building, near points of entry, or near the location of staff or pupils such as playgrounds or sports fields. The audible and visual alarm devices can also be positioned for maximum coverage outside of a building as well as inside, with no need for additional cabling during the installation. With the ASYRA call points positioned around the site and the signaling products spaced to provide alarm coverage outside and inside the buildings, an effective alarm, essentially distinguishable from a fire alarm or other type of alarm, can provide a fast and effective communication of a lockdown situation without delay. The ASYRA wireless system can be installed in a few hours or a few days for large systems, as there's no need to run cables to the optimum locations for manual call points and alarm devices. With the long-range secure radio technology and a battery life up to 4 years, the maintenance requirements are minimal for the system. And checking the system status and battery levels can be done easily with a mobile phone app using the NFC technology. On large systems, you may decide that you want to link the ASYRA wireless system to an existing alarm system for integrating old and new systems or to expand system functionality. This is done using the I/O module, which has multiple configurations to provide the types of signals that other systems can use. If preferred or required, the input-output and fault signaling module can be used to send and receive signals to and from any other third-party system. These easily configurable wireless modules can be used to send SMS text messages or system alarm and fault signals to other safety systems, or emergency services, for example. Special configurations made possible by the ASYRA dual-channel alarm function can provide other system features to provide additional safety, such as all-clear signals, a medical emergency alarm, or temporary fire alarm, for example. Being an independent, secure system, the operational integrity and security of the ASYRA wireless system does not rely on, nor is affected by, other systems such as Wi-Fi, internet security, and fire alarm systems. It will keep working no matter what the status is of other systems. For those wishing to have greater control of system activation, but still provide the earliest of warnings, a silent alarm can be activated which requires verification before the system is put into full alarm. Configurations can vary to suit many applications and functions. Why not contact us to find out more and to see how the ASYRA wireless alarm system can meet your needs? You can find out more about our ASYRA product range by visiting the website, checking the link in the description below, or pressing the channel icon.